Hello, this is CyberTA group. Before our presentation, let's look at an interesting video as first.
Thanks for calling the place you purchased your shitty product from. Can I help you today? You can say, questions about a recent purchase, hear an order status, store hours and locations.
How may I help you?
Hi, hello?
Hi.
Yeah, I bought a product from you guys and it's broken, but it's still under warranty.
Okay, I'm going to put you on hold for a moment and hope you hang up because I have no idea how to solve your simple problem.
What?
Hi, are you still there?
Yes.
Shit. I'm going to transfer you.
I'm going to transfer you.
I'm going to transfer you.
Hello, this is the department that can actually help you. We are currently closed.
Actually, as a student, we'll also meet a similar situation as the video shows. Let's see.
Cass is enjoy a fun gaming session. Panic sets in as Cass realizes she forgot a homework due tonight. So Cass starts on the homework. She searches online. She can't find any answers or related questions online. She asking her friend Erica for help. Erica also do not know the answer. Desperate, Cass emails her TA for guidance. Waiting for a TA's response. 1 hour, 5 hours, 8 hours later, she's still waiting. The stress overwhelms Cass as the hours tick by. Deadline passed, and she still get no word from the TA.
So we also make some interview to ask how the real-world students solve the homework questions. So let's see the interview.
I usually go to office hours, but if they're not available, I'll go online.
I first try to Google for whatever I need, and if that doesn't work, then I try to ask somebody from my class or go to the office hours, and then last resort ChatGPT.
I've been going to internet resources and TAs just because their availability might not match up with my availability, and I think a lot of the source material is online and you can find it from internet resources. Things that some functions that you don't forget, I'll always go to ChatGPT.
We can see many students try to solve the problem by themselves. They may use Google, online researching, or ChatGPT. However, can these tools really help them? Let's see.
Sometimes, let's say if I need support, I'll go online to ChatGPT or something, and I'll ask really specific questions, but I won't get any answers because the content that I'm learning in my classes is very specific.
Actually, I found that a lot of spatial related questions, ChatGPT doesn't really do that well with.
If it's something that needs a specific concrete solution, I try not to rely on ChatGPT or stuff like that because I don't trust it a lot of the time.
So if students cannot solve the problem by themselves, they may ask TA for help. So let's see how long will students get response from their TAs.
I'd say anywhere from a day to 2 or 3.
At least within 24 hours.
Within the day, usually. Yeah, if not, then I'll sort of just figure it out on my own.
So how about make a virtual teaching assistant? Let's see some students' opinions.
When my own coursework becomes a little heavier and I have more work to do, then I obviously have a lot less time to give to my TA job. So in that situation, I would want something like AI to help out.
I feel like it could just make everything a little bit easier. Professors aren't always available, so I think it just make the whole process of learning a little quicker, more efficient.
It's fast, and it can get you a real-time response.
Being able to ask them questions anytime and always have a support system when I have questions about formulas, and then also for the TA, they can their load can be lessened as well, and I can only turn to the TAs when I'm very, very stuck on a question.
So this is why we built the CyberTA, a virtual teaching assistant. Next, John will introduce the system details.
Now I've introduced the main feature of the system. Feature 1 will posts. After logging in, user can see all students' posts. If you log in as a TA account, you can review the answer and update them. And feature 2, search title. User can search title based on the title. You can input a string to search posts. And feature 3, upload PDF files. The system allows users to upload PDF files to expand the knowledge base if they want to ask something about new materials. And feature 4, new post. User can click new post button to create a new post. After a few seconds, the answer will come up. And if there are some related videos with specific timestamp of video, they will show up too.
We get images of Earth's surface and what it means to conduct multispectral remote sensing. Then in the second part, I'm going to talk about classification methods. First lecture. In this part of the lecture, we're going to focus a little bit more on what remote sensing is, while giving an overview of some of the platforms that...
If there are related images, they will show up too. The way we implement this is we embedding answer text chunks and video subtitle chunks, then calculate the cosine similarity to find the most similar chunks and extract keywords. Finally, we use keywords to match subtitle in different timestamp of videos. If matches, they will return videos and snapshot. The last feature is recommendation resource system. It will recommend learning resource based on recent user posts. I will introduce this in detail. So this is our unique features. First, we create a user profile for every user based on their post information in last 2 weeks to create keywords for them to represent their features, then use their feature to match our resource database. In this process, we introduce thematic matching to solve the problem of breadth of recommendations. Let me give you an example to illustrate this. If a student's feature is remote sensing application, use simple keyword matching will only match resources that contain these two characteristic keywords. However, when thematic matching is used, relevant resource can be found even when the keywords are not directly matched. The picture shows the result before and after using thematic matching. Obviously, more related resources are matched later. In the process of thematic matching, the LDA model is trained by using a part of resource database, and then the feature of learning resource and the users are input into the LDA model to generate a subject distribution array. Finally, their similarity is calculated to find the learning resource which high similarity to the user profile. That's our system. Now turn to Eric.
Next, we will introduce the market for our CyberTA and show how big the market is.
Welcome to Thoughts on the Market. I'm Brenda Diverse from the Morgan Stanley Sustainability Research Team, along with my colleagues bringing you a variety of perspectives. Today, I'll discuss the potential impact of generative AI on the global education market. It's Tuesday, November 28th at 10 a.m. in New York. From a sustainability perspective, we view Gen AI as an opportunity to drive improvements to society in general, with education being one core use case. We would highlight 2 areas where Gen AI will be key. 1, in improving the overall education experience, and 2, in helping to reskill or upskill an evolving workforce. Starting with the quality of the education experience, Gen AI has the potential to transform learning and teaching from automating tasks with chatbots to creating adaptive learning solutions. Applications such as auto-grading, large language model-based tutors, and retention management can drive efficiencies and increase productivity. We see efficiencies driving $200 billion of value creation in education over the next 3 years.
From the Morgan Stanley expert view in the video, we can see that CyberTA has a huge potential market. In the US, there are 19 million students in the 6,000 colleges. They provide a huge potential market. In 6,000 colleges, there are 4,000 colleges over online degree programs. These online students need additional learning support. In addition, as the number of students increase, the TA demand is also growing. Our CyberTA can provide customer help in real time and meet growing demand without increasing human resources. About our business model, our CyberTA generates revenue through direct sales to educational institutions, subscription, feature-based pricing for the various courses, and additional custom development service. From our competitive products analysis result, it shows our product has many advantages and own unique position in the market. It also can generate a significant return on investment. Currently, the student's problem is solved by our system, and it can provide a thinking to solve the problem that the man faced at the beginning of the video, and even more fields in the future. All above are our presentation. Thanks for listening.